The Cooper Cooler Rapid Beverage and Wine Bottle Chiller is the ultimate solution for quickly chilling beverages in your home bar or dorm. Its automatic touchpad offers a seamless user experience, making it easy to use with just the press of a button. This chiller is designed to cool your drinks in minutes, thanks to its innovative ice and water system that efficiently lowers the temperature of bottles and cans. Whether you need to chill sodas, beer, or wine, the Cooper Cooler ensures your beverages are ready to enjoy without the wait. Sleek surfaces deserve better than smudges. Jiffy's step up as precision cleaners, small but powerful pads designed to banish fingerprints, oily streaks, and smears from the places you touch most. Whether it's a stainless steel fridge, a foggy bathroom mirror, your smartphone screen, or glasses, Jiffy's handle the job without scratching or leaving residue. Forget preheating and oil-splattered stovetops. The Philips Air Fryer XXL streamlines family meals with precision and speed. Designed for efficiency, its 7-quart capacity easily handles a whole chicken or 2 bags of fries, perfect for feeding the entire family in one go. It uses rapid air technology to circulate hot air, creating crispy exteriors and tender interiors without relying on excess oil. Integrated fat removal technology captures and separates fat from food during cooking, making each bite lighter without sacrificing flavor. The Logitech Combo Touch for iPad Pro is designed to enhance your experience with 4 distinct use modes, allowing seamless transitions between typing, sketching, viewing, and reading. The keyboard is fully detachable, offering flexibility when not in use, while the adjustable kickstand ensures up to 50 degrees of customizable viewing angles, making it ideal for any task. This keyboard case features a large click-anywhere trackpad, offering a responsive and reliable interface for navigation. In a world that moves too fast, the Mindy clock invites you to slow down. This handcrafted timepiece isn't just a clock, it's a reminder to be present. Built around a wabi-sabi aesthetic, it honors simplicity, imperfection, and the quiet strength of natural materials. Whether on your desk, shelf, or bedside table, the Mindy clock blends into your space while gently guiding you towards stillness. The soft, non-ticking movement promotes calm, making it easier to build mindful rituals. Out here where outlets don't exist and adventure runs wild, Solar Energy S delivers critical backup when it matters. This retractable solar power bank carries an immense 40,000 mAh capacity, ensuring your devices stay powered from sunrise to nightfall. Designed to harness full-band solar charging, it captures every ray across the spectrum, keeping your energy flow uninterrupted. Whether you're hiking rugged terrain or traveling off-grid, Solar Energy S keeps up with your pace. Built for users who demand private control over their data without sacrificing speed or access, Pocket Cloud is more than just a portable NAS. It's a compact, high-efficiency gateway to your personal cloud wherever you are. At the core of Pocket Cloud is Station PC, a forward-thinking technology brand backed by Firefly Technology, a trusted name in board manufacturing and embedded computing. For over 5 years, Station PC has focused on delivering high-performance private cloud solutions that are streamlined for modern workloads. The LiveScribe Symphony is a cutting-edge smart pen that seamlessly merges traditional handwriting with modern technology. Designed to capture everything you write, draw, and hear, this pen connects effortlessly to your smartphone, tablet, or computer, offering the perfect blend of paper and digital convenience. The integration with the LiveScribe Plus app transforms your notes, making them interactive and easier to manage. As you write, the Symphony records audio in tandem, allowing you to revisit any part of your notes with precision. The Nano Bag Day Pack redefines portability, offering a full-size backpack that fits effortlessly into the palm of your hand. Designed from a durable, lightweight technical fabric, this innovative day pack promises both convenience and practicality. Whether you're heading out for a hike or commuting through a busy city, this compact companion transforms from pocket size to perfectly functional in seconds. Its ultra-compact design ensures it slips easily into your pocket when not in use, taking up minimal space and leaving you free to move without any excess weight. The Singer Heavy-Duty 4452 sewing machine offers a seamless blend of power, precision, and convenience designed for those seeking a reliable tool for crafting and garment creation. Powered by a stronger motor, it delivers enhanced piercing power, enabling you to sew through multiple layers and thicker fabrics with ease. Whether you're working with denim, leather, or quilting materials, this machine can handle it all. With 110 stitch applications, you can explore a wide range of sewing techniques to bring your creative ideas to life. Winding through wooded trails or slicing across open pavement, the one-wheel Pint S offers an electrifying ride few vehicles can match. The sensation is unique. Part hovercraft, part board sport, all intensity. It's not just a skateboard with a motor. The Pint S takes more from snowboarding than scooting and demands more attention and respect from its rider. At its core is a self-balancing electric motor that delivers surprising torque, and the board responds not with handlebars or throttles, but with the lean of your body. Built for those who demand more than just head protection, this next-generation helmet redefines what it means to ride smart. With cutting-edge tech woven into its carbon fiber shell, it delivers uncompromising strength and seamless connectivity. Whether carving back roads or commuting downtown, this helmet becomes your command center. It features a Bluetooth intercom for rider-to-rider communication within a limited range and a walkie-talkie via app that works across any distance with cellular connection. The XGO Mini is an innovative quadruped robot designed to bring a new level of interactivity and intelligence. With 12 degrees of freedom, it can move in all directions, giving it impressive agility. This robot offers an omnidirectional range of motion, allowing it to adapt to various environments effortlessly. Its compact design makes it highly mobile and capable of performing tasks that require advanced coordination and flexibility. Forget bulky towers and tangled cables. Mini Proca condenses high-performance computing into a compact, sleek powerhouse with a built-in 7-inch touchscreen. Whether you're editing video, managing spreadsheets, or jumping into high-fidelity gaming, the AMD Ryzen 96900HX CPU and ultra-fast DDR5 RAM, available in 8, 16, or 32GB configurations, deliver seamless multitasking and lightning-fast response. The HGN Metal Faucet. Glass Rinser is a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen sink. Made from high-quality stainless steel with a brushed nickel finish, it not only enhances the aesthetic of your kitchen but also adds functionality to your daily routine. This glass rinser is designed to thoroughly clean glasses and bottles with ease, providing a quick rinse after use. It features multiple jets strategically placed to cover the entire interior of glasses, ensuring efficient cleaning without effort. The ICO Active Buds. A B02 earbuds represent a sophisticated blend of cutting-edge technology and sleek design, crafted to elevate your listening experience. Engineered with an AMOLED touchscreen, these earbuds offer intuitive controls, providing effortless navigation of your music, calls, and settings with a simple tap. The dual-device simultaneous Bluetooth 5.3 connection ensures a seamless transition between multiple devices, eliminating the need for constant pairing. When sleep matters as much as sound, precision matters. The sleep-optimized speaker delivers high-fidelity audio within a body just 0.43 inches thin, resting flat beneath your pillow without disrupting your comfort. Designed for bedtime use, its 11mm profile ensures it stays discreet while surrounding you in rich, immersive sound without pressing against your ear or causing discomfort. When your four-legged companion spends hours alone, boredom can lead to anxiety. That's where Dogs Play steps in, crafted specifically for pets. From streaming calming content to making two-way video calls with their favorite humans, Dogs Play transforms everyday routines into meaningful connections. With Dogflix Entertainment, your dog can unwind with curated shows designed to ease separation anxiety and reduce stress. The two-way video calls let you check in from anywhere with crystal clear visuals and responsive audio calibrated to canine perception. Elevate your photography experience with the Lens Case for iPhone. This innovative 5-in-1 phone case brings the art of photography to your fingertips, combining sleek carbon fiber protection with versatile lens options. The fisheye lens opens up the world with unique, wide-angle perspectives, while the 10 times and 30 times macro lenses enable you to capture intricate details up close. For cat owners seeking peace of mind, the Furbo 360-degree cat camera offers a premium solution for monitoring your feline companions. Featuring stunning 1080p Full HD video with a 360-degree rotating view, it captures every corner of the room, both day and night. The 4x zoom ensures you won't miss a single whisker twitch while you're away. Seamless two-way audio allows you to hear and talk to your cat in real time, with in-app volume controls delivering crisp sound. In a world where your desk becomes your canvas, the Abus's Lamp Plus transforms daily interaction. It projects vivid content directly onto your tabletop, maintaining sharp clarity and definition. Every movement is seamless with natural touch control. Your finger becomes the mouse, responding effortlessly to each command. Beyond lighting, the wooden body serves as a resonant speaker, delivering immersive 360-degree audio that envelops your space with warmth and clarity. The Come & Go M1 series. One-click lifting monopod is an advanced tool designed for photographers and videographers who demand precision and flexibility in their equipment. With a height of 1,750 millimeters, it offers a generous reach, ensuring that even the tallest shots are within your grasp. Its 4-section design allows for easy adjustments, providing the perfect height for any shooting scenario. The TickTime Cube is an innovative time management tool designed to boost productivity through simplicity. With a flip of the cube, users can easily start a countdown, manage their time, or track progress without needing to adjust complex settings. Its intuitive design allows you to effortlessly control work intervals, making it a great companion for tasks such as Pomodoro sessions, egg timers, or general countdown functions. This digital timer features a minimalist interface with clear, user-friendly controls. The Superbase V offers a groundbreaking solution for home energy storage, designed to meet the demands of modern households with unmatched efficiency. With a robust capacity of up to 64 kilowatt-hours, this system can power essential devices for extended periods, whether for daily use or during an emergency. Its dual voltage output of 120 or 240 volts ensures compatibility with a wide range of household appliances, making it versatile for various applications. The Chincata electric food chopper combines efficiency with durability, making meal preparation quicker and easier. Equipped with a powerful 400-watt motor, this chopper is designed to handle tough tasks such as chopping onions, meat, garlic, and ham with ease. Featuring dual-speed settings, you can select the optimal power for each ingredient, ensuring consistent and smooth results. The 8-cup stainless steel and glass bowls provide ample space to process large portions, while the sharp, bi-level blades guarantee fast and efficient chopping. Precision meets performance in this advanced thermoforming system designed to elevate industrial fabrication. Built with a robust auto-lifting bed, it delivers reliable vertical motion for consistent pressure distribution and flawless material shaping. At the core lies an industrial pump engineered for high-output vacuum performance, ensuring precise form every cycle. Integrated pre-stretch technology enhances material coverage, reducing waste while boosting mold accuracy. Introducing Dolly, the ultimate AI-powered desktop companion that is transforming the way we interact with technology. Designed with precision, Dolly is a cutting-edge open-source robot built on the versatile Raspberry Pi platform. With its innovative open hardware and open design, Dolly offers an engaging and customizable user experience, making it the perfect tool for anyone eager to explore the world of AI and robotics. Clarity meets control in every inch of your workspace with SecDeck's ultra-wide, high-definition touchscreen. This isn't just a display, it's an interface that transforms how you interact with your tools, files, and creative flow. Measuring over 17 inches diagonally, the panel delivers crisp resolution and finger-sensitive navigation, letting you glide through tasks with zero friction. Slide between full-screen main views with seamless transitions, maximizing your layout with every swipe. Engineered for expansive living spaces, this high-capacity air purifier redefines what quiet power looks like. Outfitted with a HEPA H13 grade filtration system, it removes ultrafine particles with surgical precision, capturing allergens, pollutants, and gases. Its filtration surface is 3.8 times larger than the previous generation, delivering consistent performance for up to 5 years without replacement. The TBK211 digital soldering station combo offers an efficient, versatile solution for precise soldering. It stands out with rapid heating capabilities, reaching the desired temperature quickly, ensuring minimal waiting time for users. Designed for accuracy, it maintains a stable temperature throughout the soldering process, enhancing the quality and reliability of every joint. The included cleaning sponge helps maintain a clean tip, extending the life of the soldering iron. On late-night walks, early hikes, or roadside repairs, the right tool makes the difference. Built to perform in varied conditions, the Scout Light Blinko delivers a seamless blend of function and convenience without the excess. This multi-scenario light adapts to your environment, whether clipped to a backpack, magnetically mounted to metal, or worn hands-free on your jacket or cap. Weighing under 2 ounces and measuring just under 2 inches long, it's compact and versatile, made for those who value space and simplicity. Introducing the Bapako keyboard, an innovative solution that revolutionizes the way you think about productivity. This device merges the functionality of a keyboard with the power of a PC, offering seamless performance with a built-in Windows 11 operating system. With its 12.3-inch touchscreen display, the Bapako provides a compact yet full-fledged computing experience. Whether you're working on documents, browsing the web, or handling creative tasks, this versatile keyboard offers everything you need for multitasking. The Focus Sound directional speaker redefines personal audio experiences by combining cutting-edge sound technology with sleek, customizable design. This speaker's unique feature is its ability to project sound in specific directions, allowing users to enjoy immersive audio without disturbing those around them. The transparent build enhances its modern appeal, seamlessly blending into any environment while also offering a creative touch with the option to attach personal photos at the back.